Well, you might have heard that first impression is the lasting impression, and your thumbnail is the first impression of your YouTube content. So it is important to make your thumbnail as engaging as possible. A YouTube thumbnail is usually the first thing viewers sees when browsing on YouTube. That image might make them want to click or look at the next video in the list. Remember that your YouTube thumbnail acts like a billboard to pull the viewers to the video. And what are the advantages of thumbnails? First, they get you traffic, and 2, watch time. Are you wondering how to make great thumbnails that increases your viewership? Then welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how I build my thumbnail with InShort and Canva, and how I remove background photos. This is one of the various methods I used in monetizing my channel in just 2 months. If you want to see how I design my thumbnails in just 3 minutes, then you have to watch this video right to the end. So first thing first, I go ahead and remove my background picture, and I am using slazer.com to remove image background automatically, and this is absolutely free. I go ahead and select the picture I want the background removed, and I click. So make sure you download this in HD. And also, note should be taken that this website do ask for money when you remove more than 1 or 2 background photos. You can also use remove.bg to remove your background. It's same thing, and it's same thing like the Slazer, and you can go ahead and download your image. Moving on to method number 1, I am using Canva to design my thumbnail. First thing first, you open Canva and you want to go ahead in the search bar and type YouTube thumbnail or YouTube artwork. Once you type it, a list of templates is going to pop out. You can use already designed templates, or you can create your own template. Yes, you can create your own design from scratch. So for the purpose of this video for beginners, I am going to pick a template here. And once I pick a template, I go ahead and open. From here on, you can go ahead and make changes. You can change. So from here on, what I want to do is I want to remove the background picture of that woman. So I'm going to my photos section, and I take the pictures that I remove the background, and I just put there and resize. You see how that fits perfectly. So secondly, you want to make sure your text is highlighted. I am just going to leave that how to make money online. Once you do that, you can select your colors and choose whichever. Yeah, so you want to select colors or bold fonts that are visible to the public, and you can go ahead and click on the duplicate button and duplicate the text so it stands out. Once you are done, that is all. The next step is you need to check to make sure that it is 25% on someone watching on a mobile device, and as well as 100 or so for someone watching on a laptop. And when you're satisfied, you make sure it is on 1280 is to 720 pixel, and you go ahead and download your thumbnail, and voila, that is how you make your thumbnail. How easy it is. Moving on to method number 2, I am using the InShort device. You go ahead and open the InShot app and take collage. Once you take collage, you pick up the images you want to build your thumbnail or design your thumbnail. Here I'm going to pick about 5 images. And once you are in the InShot app, you go to the layout and choose any layout you want. You can also work on the borders, like you see what I do here. And once you do that, please make sure it is on YouTube 16.9 format, not the normal Instagram or Facebook. So you have to make sure it is well resized, and you can always resize the images as you want. Exactly, you can adjust for lightness, contrast, warmth, saturation, and so on. So once you're done, you go into the text and type. I'm just going to type vlog because I want to use this thumbnail for vlogs. I always use this for vlogs. So once you type in, you go in and change the font size if you want, and again make sure it is visible for the public. You can go ahead and change the text border, the shadow label, opacity. Just play around it, and once you are satisfied with the result, you go ahead and download your thumbnails, and that is it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please do not forget to leave a comment down below, like, comment, and also share the video. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next one, bye bye.